So one trade taken, 0.5% risk, fixed to our target, resulted in a 1% win. Welcome back to the Daily Nugget. It's day 91 of 365. And let me walk you through my short position on EURUSD. So starting on the daily, after this breakout at the beginning of March, this was the dollar sell-off. EU just flew. It's been off watch for a couple of weeks while it kind of just finds its feet. And I think that's just the added benefit of, I think, having multiple pairs on watch, because you'll have times like this where the pair is really uncertain or just needs a bit of time. And if you're kind of just fixated on one or two pairs, then you have to sit on your hands for that period. Nothing wrong with that. There's just few who can do that and not feel tempted to be in the market. And so we had the clear points of external range liquidity, and I was expecting that retracement lower. Whether or not it gets into this one-sided fair value gap, which is at the 50%, don't know. But I think was confident that it was at least going to come to this first point of interest, which was the two-sided fair value gap. And so coming straight down into the 1 hour, you can see we began trending lower, and price had now pulled back into this premium area within this range. Had this bullish order block, which was, I guess, more clearly defined by the 15-minute. This was on Monday morning. There were two sort of entry options here. This was, I guess, the more aggressive, even though it was more of a reduced risk entry, because I waited for that displacement lower and then the set the limit order. But there was a variation of this where price traded higher, swept this high, and then I took the more aggressive risk entry lower. Hence, I had stops way above here instead of just above this high here, because I knew there was that potential for price to trade higher. And so, yeah, fortunately on this day here, entry was a bit premature, and we got that time-based liquidity sweep, but structure ended up holding. And yeah, this played out quite nicely for 1%. So remember, guys, consistency is the choice you make when you start doing the things you know you should be doing day in and day out.